Ever go between H1, H2, H3, and H4 when adjusting and changing the size of a headline on your website? Are you uploading images without doing anything first? Then you might be making one of these 5 common marketing mistakes when it comes to search engine optimization. And it may be making it harder for people to find you when searching. The H1, H2, H3, and H4 options within your website builder are not there for design. If you're using them to change the size of your headlines or your body copy, you actually may be hurting your search engine rankings. So if they're not there for design, what are they there for? H1, H2, H3, and H4 tags are there to help the search engines understand the content of your page. Think of them as an outline. H1 is the main topic of the page. H2 would be subheadings you put in that support that main topic. So instead of using them to control your design, use them to organize your page. It not only helps the search engines know what your page is about, subheads actually make it easier for people to read your copy. Leaving the alt image description fields in your website management system blank is a mistake. These are alternative text descriptions. They create a tag that gets added to the HTML coding of the website. This coding helps the search engines better understand what your page is all about. So it can actually help improve the relevance of the page in the search engine's mind around a certain topic. Now keep in mind there's other benefits to the alt tags too. 1, this is what shows if the image gets broken or doesn't actually load on the site. So it can help somebody know what was supposed to be there. It's also used by screen readers for people who are visually impaired. So while you are adding keywords to this alt description, make sure that it makes sense to somebody who would either read it or have it read to them. Only using the default page titles within your website builder is a wasted marketing opportunity. I'm not sure what a page title is? These are the words that show within the browser tab. They're also the primary words that show as the link within the search engine results. When you let it default to the website builder, you're often missing the opportunity to add in additional keywords which help somebody understand the relevance of the page. You're also missing the opportunity to add in an adjective or a description or two that would make it more enticing to click through. Now don't go crazy. You want to keep these page titles to 65 characters or less. You likely have one chance to get people to click through to your site from the search results, and missing this opportunity could be the difference between somebody scrolling on or clicking through. This is the meta description. The meta description is that snippet of copy that shows beneath the page title and link within the search engine results. Most search engines by default will pull the first part of product copy on that page, unless you've told it what you want it to see. Within the page settings or within your search engine settings, there's often a meta description field. You want to populate this with a description that makes somebody want to click through to your site and uses the relevant keywords. Now keep these characters and these descriptions to 160 characters or less, so you have the best chance of them actually showing fully within the search engine results, and you don't end up with the ... Now here's one of the most common missed opportunities. Not changing the file name before you upload an image. See, most people let it default to whatever the generic combination of numbers and characters is when they upload it. But did you know this can actually help a search engine understand what the image is all about and adds additional relevance to the page? So include keywords around the image, describe the image in its file name, and even add in the name of your company. Let all the additional characters be at the very end.